Hello friends, this is John Tech Lab. As you might have seen in my recent shorts, I uploaded a video showing how you can repair your own cable tester, but the video was too short. Now I made another full-length video showing you how you can repair your own cable tester. Keep watching. I started by conducting a simple test and I saw some LEDs blinking and others not blinking at all. Then I was sure that the IC was damaged. So I decided to disassemble this device and remove the IC. To remove any through-hole component, you need to apply your soldering iron with some solder on it. Heat each side until the IC is removed. I had to clean up the pads until I get all the holes where the new chip is to be inserted. This is the new chip that I'm going to solder on board. After the whole soldering process, I assembled the cable tester and it came to work fine. After watching this video, I'm sure you have found some tools and materials that I have been using. There are soldering iron, hot air gun station, and soldering wire. In case you need them, you can buy them from a trusted supplier, jontech.net, and I have also shared the link below in the description. Please visit our website and see all the types of electronic materials and tools that you might need in order to make all your electronic hobbies, projects, and also repairing. Visit the link and you'll thank me later. I hope you found the video useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the upcoming tutorials. Bye.